Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, I'm going to show you the brand new restriction checker and how you can use it to quickly check whether you're eligible to sell certain products. Starting from TA Lite, you'll find the restriction checker in the left-hand sidebar under Tools. Right? Open it up, select the region that you want to check. From here, you can enter up to 5,000 ASINs or UPCs at once. You can separate each code by using spaces or new lines, so you can type them manually or simply paste it in an existing list, like so. Now, once your list is ready, click Fetch Information. Then Tactical Arbitrage will process the codes, and after a few seconds, you'll see the results appear here, right? Like so. Now, the status column here will show whether each product is ungated, gated, or has another selling restriction associated with it. Now, in TA Classic, right, you'll find the same feature under Analysis Tools. Right? Inside that section, you'll see product variations, tactical edge, and directly beneath those, the restriction checker. Now click it like so, and then you'll be presented with a very similar interface. The process is more or less the same. Right? Select your region, right? Paste in your ASINs or UPCs, and click Fetch Information. Now, Tactical Arbitrage will process the list and display the restriction status for each product. Right? You can also upload your codes using a CSV file. Click Import from CSV here. Select the file from your computer, right? And then the ASINs or UPCs will appear in this box, and you can do the same. Click Fetch Information, and it'll fetch the information for you. Now you can also upload a sample list, right? It will do the same. Just paste it in a bunch of ASINs here in this list, like so. Now, once the process is done, once you click Fetch Information and Tactical Arbitrage has done working on this, you can either export all the results into your computer, or only export the ungated ASINs into your computer. And that's how you can use the new restriction checker in Tactical Arbitrage to check thousands of products at once before spending time researching or sourcing them.